when a decision is made, if you're in a meeting and someone says, hey, listen, we're deciding to actually cut off that service and we're going to bring up a new service 2 months from now. And you're like, okay, what date 2 months to now? Okay, well, it's going to be December 31st. Okay, great. You document that because what you want to do is be able to hold someone accountable for saying, hey, I remember when we had this meeting on February 12th, you told me that this was what was about to happen. Did we complete that? Well, no, I didn't. Well, I documented on this raid log that you said you was. Oh, I remember that conversation. So, family, having proper documentation, I say documentation ensures, as a matter of fact, enhances accountability, ensuring everyone knows what the expectation is. There's no guessing. There's no, oh, well, what am I supposed to be doing? Nope. Everybody has a understanding and is agreed upon. Let's move on to point number 3. Weak commerce communication. Weak communication.